This is Bestorq's Laser Alignment Tool. This tool can easily be used to check pulley alignment on your drive. Note the 0 mark on the targets. The laser line should hit this on all targets. Place 3 of the targets at 12, 6, and 9 o'clock on the larger pulley. Next, place the laser on the rim of the smaller pulley. Ensure it is aimed at the other pulley and turn it on. Note how the laser is not hitting the targets evenly. This indicates an angular misalignment between the pulleys. Adjust the angular alignment between the shafts and/or the pulleys. Note how the laser now hits all targets at the same line, but not yet at the 0 mark. This indicates an axial misalignment. Adjust the axial alignment between the pulleys. The pulleys are aligned when the laser hits the 0 mark on all of the targets.